In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Facebook ads. As we all know, understanding how to navigate and analyze the performance of your ads on Facebook is crucial for anyone looking to maximize their marketing efforts and get the most value out of the platform. Whether you're new to Facebook advertising or looking for a refresher, this guide is designed to help you easily find and review your ads. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's dive right in. First things first, you need to head over to the Facebook Business Manager. This is the hub where all your advertising activities on Facebook are centralized, making it easier to manage your ads, assets, and more. If you've used Facebook for personal stuff, this might look a bit different, but don't worry, it's designed to simplify your advertising tasks. Once you're at the Facebook Business Manager homepage, you'll see an option to log in with Facebook. Click on this to proceed. This part is straightforward. Just use the same credentials you usually use for Facebook. It's a seamless process that links your personal account to the business-facing side of things. After logging in, you'll be prompted to choose your account. If you manage multiple accounts or pages, make sure to select the one associated with the ads you want to view. This is an important step because each account can have distinct ad campaigns running, and selecting the wrong one might throw you off your analysis. Following the selection of your account, direct your attention to the lower left panel on your screen. Here you'll spot an option labelled Ads. Click on this to further delve into your advertising world. This is where all your active, paused or completed ad campaigns reside. Next you're going to click on Ads Manager. This is basically your control room for Facebook advertising. Ads Manager is a powerful tool that lets you create, manage and review your ads. It provides detailed insights into how your ads are performing, enabling you to make data-driven decisions to improve them. Now let's get into the specifics of finding your ads. Go to the Campaigns tab. This is easily accessible through the Ads Manager, and you might also find direct links that take you straight there. The Campaigns section organizes your ads based on the campaigns they're associated with, making it easier to navigate through them if you're running multiple initiatives. Once you're in the Campaigns section, go ahead and click on Campaigns again. I know it sounds a bit repetitive, but this step ensures that you are indeed focusing on the campaigns aspect of your ads. This is where you'll see an organized view of all the campaigns you've set up over time. Lastly, look for the Ads tab within the campaign you're interested in. This is where every individual ad related to a campaign is listed. Here you can analyze the performance metrics of each ad, see which ones are achieving your objectives, and which ones might need a bit tweaking. Remember, the key to successful Facebook advertising lies not just in creating appealing ads, but also in regularly reviewing their performance. By following the steps we've covered today, you can easily navigate through the Facebook Business Manager to view your ads. Take your time to explore the various metrics and insights provided, as these will be invaluable in optimizing your campaigns for better results. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of pro tips. First, always keep your business goals in mind when reviewing ad performance. It's not just about the numbers, but how those numbers are helping you achieve your overall objectives. Second, don't be afraid to experiment. The beauty of digital advertising lies in its flexibility. Use the insights you gather to test different approaches and see what works best for your audience. And that's a wrap on how to view your Facebook ads. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to refine your strategy, understanding how to find and analyze your ads is a critical step in the process. I hope this guide has been helpful. Remember, patience and persistence are key. Keep exploring, keep optimizing, and most importantly, keep learning. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.